Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your Roblox name on PC or mobile. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So if you are using a PC or laptop, changing your Roblox name is actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to click your Roblox name at the top right corner. And then click Edit Profile. And after that, you will now be able to see your Roblox name right here, so just go and click it. And then you can now change your name to whatever you want. And once you're done entering your new name, you can now click Save to save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Roblox name will now be changed. And if you are on your phone, changing your Roblox name is also so easy. So to do that, first, I want you to tap your name right here. And then tap Edit Profile. And after tapping it, there it is guys. You will now see your Roblox name right here, so you can now change it to whatever you like. And once you're done changing your name, you can now tap Save to save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed your Roblox name using your phone. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.